How do we calculate monthly payments? Well, our calculator actually has a function built in for us to tell us whether we are dealing with annual or monthly or even quarterly payment or compounding calculations. Now, let me interject here that if you have had time value of money training from anybody else and they have taught you how to divide the interest rate by 12 in order to do monthly payments and such, I want to warn you up front that I don't do it that way. I actually use the function in the calculator that changes the periods per year. I will tell you this, if you do that, if you divide the interest rate by 12, you must not round, because if you round, you may be a penny or two off, and the way the exams are set up, there's no tolerance for an error like that. Again, if you've not learned this before, please disregard what I just said. So what we want to do first is we want to see what our calculator is set to as far as periods per year. And you can see that the second function of the I/Y button right here is P/Y. That's periods per year. Almost all of these buttons have second functions associated with them that are written on the body of the calculator. In order to access the second function, you use the second button. Second, I/Y shows us that our periods per year is currently set to 1. What we want it to for monthly, what we want it to be set to for monthly is 12. So now that we have 12 in there, we need to tell the calculator to accept that, which means we have to press enter. Enter is up here where the cursor is, and when we press enter, you'll see an equal sign pop up there. A lot of times people want to press the equal sign as the enter button. It doesn't work that way. And also, when you see the equal sign, that is what's in the calculator's memory. Therefore, that's what the calculator has for the periods per year, or the compounding periods per year. There's also a compounding per year function here. This will be tied to the periods per year, so whenever we tie periods per year to, that will change the C/Y. For this class, you never have to worry about messing with or changing the C/Y. So we have P/Y equals 12. Now we're good to go on that. We're going to hit clear to get out of here. Now we're going to calculate the payment of the loan that we did before, the $10,000 loan, but we're going to do it on a monthly basis. So let's go ahead and put $10,000 in present value. We also know that our future value needs to be 0. We also know that our interest per year, now this is per year, so our interest per year is 7. So we're going to put 7 in here. Now we remember that N is the number of periods. This is the number of periods throughout the life of the loan. And if we have 3 years with monthly payments, we actually have 3 times 12 periods. So 36 is our N. So we have something in all 4 buttons that we can go ahead and calculate or compute the fifth. So 308.77 would be our monthly payment for 36 months to pay back that loan of $10,000.